Do you want to know how you can log into your 10web account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your 10web account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for 10web AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of 10web where you can launch and grow your business online with AI. So you can generate your website from 10web. Now to log into your account, go ahead and click login, which you can see on the top right hand side. It will take you to this dashboard or login portal presented by 10web. Now you can log in using Google address or your email address. To log in using your email address, write down your email in this box and your password in the second one. After you write down your email address and password, go ahead and click login. And then you can successfully log into your 10web.ai account. What you can do is hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on this eye icon. And if you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. You can also log in with Google, so click on this link and you can select your Google account and then click continue to sign in to 10web. In a while, you can notice that you have now been signed into your 10web account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.